Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to discuss the meaning of a powerful dua. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. This dua was made by Prophet Musa alayhi salam when he was going to meet the tyrant king Firaun. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. This dua is mentioned in Surah Taha, verse number 25 to verse number 28. Let us now break down this dua in word by word to understand it more clearly. Rabbi. Rabbi means my Lord. Rabbi means my Lord Allah. We are asking Allah. Ishrah means to expand or to open. Ishrah means to expand or to open. Li is a preposition and it means for me. Li means for me. And sadri means my chest. Sadri means my chest. Thus, Rabbi shrah li sadri stands for my Lord, expand for me my chest. My Lord, open for me my chest. The second verse number 26 is Vayassirli. Vayassirli. Va means and yassir means ease. Li amri, for me my task. Li means for me, amri means my task. Vayassirli amri stands for and ease for me my task. Vayassirli amri means and ease for me my task. Wahlul means wa is preposition that means and ohlul means untie. Ohlul means untie. Then comes uqdatam. Uqdatan means knot. Uqdatan means knot. Min lisani. Min means it's a preposition and it means from. Lisani means my tongue. Lisani means my tongue. Min lisani, from my tongue. Thus wahlul. So wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani becomes and untie the knot from my tongue. And untie the knot from my tongue. Wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani and untie the knot from my tongue. Then the verse number 28 in Surah Taha comes yafqahu, that they may understand. Yafqahu means that they may understand. What they need to be understand? That is qawl, his speech. Qawli means my speech. Qawli means my speech. Yafqahu qawli becomes that they may understand my speech. Let us now revise this dua once again. In Arabic, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. It stands for my Lord, expand for me my chest and ease for me my task and untie the knot from my tongue, that they may understand my speech. My Lord, expand for me my chest, and ease for me my task, and untie the knot from my tongue, that they may understand my speech. Hope you have understood the meaning of this beautiful and powerful dua. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like this video, share with your friends and family members. Jazakallah khairan for watching.